Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and I just wanted to get some things straight here. Last video I put up, they said that I was dead. Been dead for 2 years. Well, I assure you I am not dead, and they said that my Vietnamese wife was putting up old videos trying to keep my channel alive. I'm here live today to put together the best Martini you've ever seen. It's a unique drink, and I'm gonna have my daughter Lisa put this thing together. So we'll bring her in here and show you how to make this incredible Martini. All right, so here's Lisa, and okay, this is explain to us how we do this, because I've never handled this before.
We're gonna put ice in your shaker.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna do 2 parts of everything and just a dash of the simple syrup, because you don't need a dash, right? So equal parts of everything.
What's that?
This is cold coffee.
Cold coffee.
It's just plain cold coffee.
Just plain cold coffee. You couldn't just make your own?
I mean, you could, but I don't know if I trust your coffee.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Vanilla vodka.
Oh.
You're guessing?
Well, yeah, you gotta count out loud, right? Well, in your head.
You're a Broncos fan, huh?
I'm definitely a Broncos
Yeah,
fan.
we came from Colorado.
That's right. I was born in Aurora.
Yeah, here we go. We've got to Virginia.
That's great.
Now.
So I did equal parts of everything, right? And then we're just gonna put a little bit of simple syrup so it's not so sweet.
All right.
Okay, and that's it. And you didn't have a lid to your shaker, Daddy. I'm not sure why, so we're just gonna have to double up today.
So we shake, not stir.
You gotta shake, not stir.
Shake, not stir.
Shake. Like a shake weight.
Shake weight.
Shake weight.
And then how are you gonna strain it?
Well, Daddy, you don't have a strainer either, do you?
Yeah.
Shame, shame.
No,
That's okay.
no, stop. I can edit all this out.
I promise. Daddy, look. I've done this before. Ready? Oh, look at that, Daddy. See, I've done it a time or two. This girl's not a stranger from behind the bar, Dad.
Wow, look at that. Take a sip of this thing. I'm not even a big...
Coffee van?
Oh man, that's smooth as silk. Did it have any liquor in it?
What, really?
No, not at all.
It's good though, right?
It's delicious. It's really bordering on spectacular. Thanks for joining us folks today. It's Glenn the Ball Chef, and as always, bon appetit.